Aloha Oli fam, Darren Fryer here, M2 star coach in OlyLife, coming at you guys again with another quick explanation video, this time focusing on the different starting packages with OlyLife. Some of you might have seen this in the comp plan presentation or seen this when you're signing someone up. We have what's called the P3 leader, P4 supervisor, P5 pioneer, different ways to come into the business to qualify yourself for more of the earnings to maximize the comp plan. So let's dive right in. So the first level you can start with is the minimum level to get started. That's known as a P3 leader. Simply, it's buying $1,000 to $1,999 in products. So between the 1K and the 2K level, if you start with just a P90 plus, P90, shake and massager, you would be a P3 leader. This means that the upline bonus, also known as a team bonus, will cap out at $3,000. It's about only a 3x of what the initial package you start with. And remember, these packages are simply buying devices for yourself and your family. There's no additional fees, no auto ship subscription. It's a one-time purchase to get into this lifelong business with OlyLife. As a P3 leader, you'll qualify to earn 11% commission on the group sales bonus. Basically earning 11% off the product volume coming out on the weaker of your two legs. And it caps out at $1,000 a day in just that group sales bonus at the P3 level. And you also earn 3 generations in the coaching bonus, which is the check match bonus off your personal signups and the network that they bring in. 10% on your direct level, 5% on generation 2, and 5% on generation 3. Don't worry, I will deep dive those bonuses at the end of this slideshow. The next level to come on to, which is the most popular level by far, it's essentially the best, bang for the buck. You're qualifying for a majority of the commissions right off the bat. P4 supervisor, it's buying at least $2,000 worth of product between that $2,000 to $5,999 range. This is getting multiple machines. So most people, they'll get the P90 Plus and the Galaxy goggles, totals up to $2,000, qualifies them as a P4 supervisor. Could also get the P90 Plus and the shake and massager, the P90 and the shake and massager. Any bundle of products that total over $2,000 will qualify you for this starting position. The team bonus or the upline bonus does cap at $6,000 at this level because you're coming in at $2,000 at least, and it's going to 3x that $2,000 package. So you can get up to $6,000 in that team bonus. Group sales, you earn an extra percent off the volume coming in on your weaker leg. So it goes from 11% to now 12% commission on the product volume of the weaker of your two legs. And that group sales bonus cap will double. So it'll go from capping out at $1,000 a day to $2,000 a day. And then you're also getting 2 additional generations in the coaching bonus. So you're now getting that 10% off your direct signups, 5% off Gen 2, 5% off Gen 3, 5% off Gen 4, and 5% off Gen 5, which you guys will see at the end. Those final generations really do compound and add up significantly. And the big builder pack to start is known as the P5 or Pioneer pack. So this is getting 6,000 US dollars worth of product or more. Sometimes people will buy 4 P90 pluses, which would total to $6,000, and then they'll get to the P5 position, qualify for 100% of the compensation plan right off the bat. Or they mix and match. They get a P90 plus, P90 shaken. They get little bit of all the products in the company and maybe a couple duplicates just to total to that $6,000 pack. People will have these extra machines if they want to demonstrate them. Business owners want to have them in their facilities. They want 4 devices. Really great way to come in. It does qualify you with the team upline bonus to earn up to $18,000 back off your upline, direct upline in the genealogy, which I'll deep dive on. Your group sales bonus is now maxed out. You're getting 13% commission off the product volume coming into the weaker of your two legs. And the daily cap for that group sales bonus now goes from $2,000 a day to $7,000 a day. So it more than triples that daily cap, which is a couple $100,000 a month in just the group sales income. And then you're getting that final generation in coaching bonus. So you're getting that 6th generation, which you guys will see how significant that final generation could really add up. So now let's explain the bonuses that you can upgrade for and qualify for. So the team bonus is actually known as the upline bonus. That's where you earn 5% from your direct genealogy upline. Caps out at 3 times your starting package. So if you're starting at the 1K, it'll cap out at 3,000. P3 leader caps at 3,000. The $2,000 P4 supervisor will cap at 6,000, and the $6,000 P5 pioneer will cap out at $18,000. This is based off of whoever was placed as your placement ID when you were signed up. It's not tied to the sponsor of the sale, but whoever was the placement ID, meaning whoever's directly above you in the genealogy network. And this is the only bonus that is not upgradable. This one is dependent on your first package when you're starting with OlyLife. You cannot upgrade this position. You cannot buy more product to, increase your cap. This is dependent on the starting package. So a lot of people, if they're getting a P90 plus, it is very worth it to add on a vitality wand or a shaken massager or a galaxy goggles or something to kind of total it to 2,000 to start the company with that, because you will earn an additional $3,000 off that upline bonus, which I will explain the group sales bonus now. So this bonus, known as the binary income, so it's earning anywhere from 11 to 13% off the daily volume of your weaker leg. This is upgradable. So if you did start off at a P3, you're only getting 11% of the volume coming in on the weaker leg, $1,000 cap. If you do start to see your daily cap getting met every day consistently, it's very wise to upgrade your position, do an accumulative purchase, increase your position from the P3 to the P4, and immediately you will start getting 12% commission off the volume of your weaker leg. That daily cap will double to 2,000 a day. And then once you see that cap starting to reach out and max out, you'll want to really upgrade to the Pioneer P5 position. Go in and purchase more products with your e-wallet credits or just buy them outright. You'll now qualify for 13% commission off the volume of your weaker leg. And your daily cap for the group sales bonus will now max out at the $7,000 daily cap. So becomes very, very powerful once your team grows, duplicates. Earning that extra percent off the volume coming in on your weaker leg really does add up. And not maxing out and not capping out on that bonus is very nice, because otherwise you're really leaving money on the table. If you're a P4 and your group sales on your weaker leg blow up one day, it might hit at $2,000. But if you were upgraded, you could have made anywhere from, $2,500, $3,000, $4,000 that day, but it capped out at 2,000 because you were not upgraded. The next one, which I'll end on, and I'm going to really deep dive on this to really stress the power of it. The coaching bonus is where you're essentially earning 10% check match commission off your personally sponsored builders and 5% check match off of the 2nd to 6th generation. So this check match is based off of the last bonus I showed you. This is based off of their group sales bonus. So when the people you bring in and the people those people bring in and so on and so forth start to earn in this group sales bonus, this percentage off their weaker leg, when they start hitting their tier bonuses and growing their inside legs, you begin to earn check matching off of every dollar they make in that specific bonus, the group sales bonus. This is upgradable. So if you did start as a P3, you're only earning 10% off your first generation and 5% off generation 2 and 3. When you upgrade your account, you can immediately go to the P4 supervisor. Now you're getting 5% check match off of that 4th generation and that 5th generation. And then when you want to upgrade to the 6K Pioneer package, you're also going to get that final 6th generation 5% check match. So just to kind of showcase the power of this, here's one example where I explain just the first few generations. So let's say your first generation, people that you personally signed up, you were the sponsor ID for that person. When they were signed up, they will be tied to you forever in the business. So let's just say Gen 1, this light blue level, you see 8 individual icons. So you signed up all 8 of these people and they earn 500, 1,000, 1,500, 500. These are their daily incomes off that group sales bonus. You add them all up, it's $14,000 those 8 people made collectively off their individual group sales bonus. you earn 10% check match. So 10% of 14,000 is $1,400. So you just made $1,400 in this bonus, not even counting your own group sales bonus, your own upline bonus, tier bonuses, all the other 5 ways you get paid aside from coaching bonus. This is just one of them. So let's take it to generation 2. So generation 2 means the people who you personally sponsor, who those people sponsor. So if you signed up Joe, who's number 1, and Joe goes out there and signs up 2 friends, let's say the 8 people you brought in each bring in their first 2 personal sales. That's what's going to be the generation 2, those green icons. And then the income below is what those people earn in their individual group sales bonus. So 500, 500, 500, 1,000, 2,000. This is what they made in a day on the group sales bonus. You add up all these numbers, totals to $27,000. You make 5% check match off of this second generation. So the personal signups that your personal signups brought in, 5% of 27,000 is $1,350. So that's what you made that day in the coaching bonus off of the second generation. So imagine this all happened in one day. You made $1,400 off your direct sponsors, and you made $1,350 off of their direct sponsors. So total, you made $2,750 a day that day in the coaching bonus. And this is where it really gets powerful, because it does go down 4 more generations. So just to help you guys get a solid understanding, okay, it's not a perfect world, so this math is for example purposes only, but the position we are in, the timing of the company, how demonstratable the product is, the support our teams have, this can really duplicate. So let's just do some simple math and just give you an example of simple duplication. So say you sign up 10 people, that first generation where you're making 10% off every dollar they earn for the rest of their life in the group sales bonus. Let's say they go out there and each sign up 10 people each. Okay, 5% check match on generation 2 is 10 people that you brought in times 10 people they each brought in. So now you have 100 people on your second generation. Let's say those 100 people all do the same thing. They each bring in 10 people each. 100 times 10 is 1,000 people. So generation 3 could be potentially 1,000 people you're earning a 5% check match off their group sales bonus. Generation 4, let's say those 1,000 people each bring in 10 people. Now your 4th generation, you're earning 5% check match off of potentially 10,000 people. Gen 5, let's say those 10,000 people each bring in 10. That's 100,000 people you're earning check matching off of forever in the 5th generation. And that final 6th generation, let's say those 100,000 people each bring in 10 people each. 10 times 100,000 is 1 million people. So the 6th generation could be potentially 1 million people that you are earning 5% check match off every dollar any of those million people make in their group sales bonus. But if you add up all these numbers, 1 million plus 100,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100, I mean, it's literally like 1,100,000 and 11,000. It's a big number. I mean, you're earning off of like almost 1.2 million people check matching off of their income. And of course, this is just an example. The math is never going to be perfect. Some people are going to personally sign up 5 people. Some people are going to personally sign up 50 people. You know, I've been in the company for 3 or 4 months and I've personally signed up 50 people. And my goal is to help all of those people do the same thing I just did, personally sign up 50 people themselves. So imagine if these numbers were 5x on each generation. I mean, some people will sign up a couple, some will sign up 20, some will sign up 100. It's never going to be perfect, but you got to understand the power of the compound effect, how much each generation significantly increases and how you're earning a percentage off of all those people in this groups, in this coaching bonus. So I hope that really helped you guys understand the benefits of being on a bigger package, of qualifying for that higher daily cap, that higher percentage with the group sales bonus, to qualify for that 4th and 5th generation with the check match, to qualify for that 6th generation with the check match. If you guys have any questions, as always, reach out to me directly on Facebook or on Discord. And I look forward to helping you guys really upgrade your positions and max out this comp plan together. Aloha.